Okay, so she's putting more water in. And wait a minute, that's the water that we use. Hold it up, please.
But you could have get
Yes,
right
okay, so that's the water that we use. We like to use that water. It's from the organic supermarket. And it's only 89 cents for one of those. And believe it or not, it's a lot of water. So she's putting in the cocoa and the cassava.
The bread kind. You call it the bread kind. I'm just telling you.
She's dumping all the cocoa and cassava in there now.
The bread kind, girl. That's what you call them.
Mother, this is the cocoa and cassava. I'm telling people in case they want to cook it. Okay. Okay, she's pouring the coconut milk in, the organic coconut milk.
That's enough. That's so many, you don't need a lot.
Okay.
To give it the flavor. Okay.